adding some chopped onion, nicely chopped onions. Don't use for everything, it's only for few things. But when you go to south part of India, we use more curry leaves. Yeah. And that's the one way to seasoning, and especially in north, we usually, I add a little bit, but I'm adding a little more.
Tell me what you just added.
Ginger garlic paste. So now I'm adding some cumin seeds. Some Kasaturi methi.
Kasaturi methi.
What do you think? Fenugreek dry leaves. We call it Kasaturi methi. You like it fresh? Yeah. So now it's turmeric. Cumin powder, just a little bit. Some garam masala. Salt.
According to your taste.
Whatever you feel like, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Some people like that again.
The garam masala. With Indian cooking, like again, I am telling you again, it's kind of hard to measure like what exactly we are putting and how much. So I just want to share one trick because okra is very slimy.
Yes.
So after cooking a little bit, so we are adding lime or lemon. Lemon or lime. Yeah, the fresh is better, but yeah. Okra, never covered it because it loses water and becomes more slimy.
Yes.
7 minutes. If it's less quantity like this, it will take 5 to 7 minutes. If it's more, it depends accordingly.